ever tried making liquid soap with a washing machine before? It is just the best, to be honest. Like, you definitely need to try it out. So this is after the soap, the foam had cooled down and all that, and I'm going to be showing you how I use washing machine to make the soap. Now let me first tell you the secret to having a very foamy liquid soap that actually cleanses well and like is very thick with a nice color. So when you get to the soap material shop, you tell them the quantity of soap you want to make. In this video I made 20 liters of liquid soap. When you get there, you tell them the quantity and they will give you the exact ingredients that you actually need, right? So this is way easier for beginners because instead of me saying measure so gram of Sttp or caustic soda or so on, not everyone even has a scale. So when you tell them the quantity of soap you want to make, they will give you the exact thing you need. Now, how do you make it to be more cleansing, like extra foamy and extra thick? You will tell them you need these extra 3 ingredients, and this is what will really make the difference in your liquid soap making. So tell them you need extra sulphonic acid, then you need extra foam booster, which is what I'm showing in this video right now, extra foam booster to make it extra foamy, and then you need extra color so that the color can be deeper and nicer. We are going to pour the ingredients into our washing machine. I already measured 20 liters of water. It looks small in the video because of the angle of the camera, right? I already measured 20 liters of water, and if you were using like your bowl without your washing machine, or you're supposed to premix this ingredient and then be adding it one by one while mixing for a while, all that stress. But your washing machine is very easy. Just cut like what you want to cut. Don't use your hand to tear it, use a scissors. Don't allow these ingredients to touch your hand. So just cut whatever you want to cut and then just pour it into your water. That is it. Washing machine just makes everything easier, and it's even like when you are making larger orders, larger production, it is very easy. So now this video looks a little fast because I increased the speed so that we don't take too much time on this particular part. So you can see I'm adding everything, and the ingredients for the liquid soap. The ingredients for this liquid soap is SLS, Nitrosol, Caustic soda, soda ash, Sttp, Texapon, Sulphonic acid, foam booster, color. You can choose any color you want, but I decided to use green in this formulation. Color, fragrance oil, and water, of course. Now when it comes to fragrance oil, I love to buy extra fragrance oil. I used to have different types of fragrance oil because I really love my products to smell good. So you can decide to buy extra fragrance oil apart from the one that would actually be sold to you at the shop. So that is it. Now if you're making your liquid soap without washing machine, you're supposed to add some things last, like your color, your fragrance oil. You're supposed to add these things step by step. But with the washing machine, like, everything is easy and faster, no stress. God, you should really try it out. So after adding all these ingredients, then I will show you the next step to do. You don't need to be bothered about bringing it out. I know people will be thinking, how do I bring out the soap from the machine? It is actually very easy. You don't need to be worried about that. It is actually very easy. So now, after adding all the ingredients, I'm going to set my washing machine to Gen 2, right? And then I'll put a timer for 15 minutes. Now the thing is that after a while, I came to check the soap and I actually moved it to hard, like to strong. So I later changed the setting to strong though, but I didn't capture that in camera. So now this is it when the time is up, and look at the liquid soap. Like, you can see that everything has mixed. You can see that it is totally different from how we started. Look at how nice it is, look at how thick it is, and it smells really nice. The next thing is I'm going to transfer it into a very big bowl. So I just used a bowl with handle to remove it from the washing machine. Very easy. And then I'm going to leave it. This is how it is after I poured everything, and you can see the foam on top. I want to leave it to settle so that I can pack it. So this is after a few hours. This is how the liquid soap looks like, and you can agree with me that it looks really nice. Oh my god, I did this experiment with my friend. That's why I seen 2 sets of hands, and like, we were really so happy with the outcome. Oh my god, and this thing really foamed, bro. Like, it really foamed, bro. So this is it packaged, and the ones with the smaller bottles I'm going to give them as gifts to my customers. So this is it. Like, look at how like it's so plenty, and this will really last you or your family, or if you want to sell it, like, you make a lot of gain from this. So you should really try this out. Like, it is fun to make, and it foams very well, and it cleanses so well too. If you'd like to learn how to make other products like hair products, then you should click the related video on the screen to learn how to make a black soap shampoo. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye.